This video will subversion your awareness of phishing emails. Here we go. Demystifying the role-play tabletop game for you. Phishing email. Ms. Shan, the financial director of a technology company, recently received an email notification from the Human Resources Department. The content is to get her into the new work group and said that the company's senior leaders have joined the group. After Ms. Shan joined the group, she observed that there are not only senior leaders of the company in the group, active figure, they also post frequent work-related notices. Everything seemed normal. A few days later, the group posted an urgent message, request immediate payment to the new supplier, and asked for confidentiality, because the mailbox of the IT department is under maintenance. That's why it was notified by the QQ group. After multiple leaders confirmed the urgency of the news and authenticity, Ms. Shan transferred money to the designated account. However, after a few days, during the conversation between Ms. Shan and the company's CEO, she realized the CEO's transfer to this time, I don't know. After investigation, it was found that originally, Ms. Shan was attacked. Roleplay tabletop game. This scam model exploits purloin employee mailbox, issue a counterfeit notice, lure financial personnel into joining the group, disguise daily discussion after defrauding trust, then impersonate high-level personnel and send false instructions to transfer money. Then such fraud should be. How? Prevention. Remember the following 4 points. Internal communication within the enterprise should be used. Enterprise-grade social software. Financial personnel of financial fraud. High-risk crowds. It should be more targeted. Accept some cybersecurity awareness training. It is necessary to perform secondary verification through a trusted channel. When words such as urgent and confidential appear in the email, should keep calm. Think more and verify to prevent online fraud. Thanks for watching. Click to follow. Thank you to identify more new phishing email and fraud.